Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes. In today's lecture, I am solving graduate management admission test, that means GMAT recent past year papers solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of them, please don't hesitate. Please call and WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav himself reply to your query in WhatsApp. So we need to first know the approach of in GMAT examination how to solve this question in tricky way. Okay. So already all you are know that the Dr. Sources class is the best coaching institution for preparing GMAT examination. If you want to take classes from our side, this is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sources classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav sir. So let's start with question number 1. What is the question number 1 say? If k is positive 2-digit integer, what will be the value of k? There are two statements. The remainder when k is divided by 9 is 8, and the statement 2 is the remainder when k is divided by 8 is 7. So this is the value data sufficient. So there's some statements. Statement 1 alone sufficient, but statement 2 alone not sufficient, statement 2 alone sufficient. These are the some options. How can I solve this? So we can solve in this data sufficiency question. This is a value data sufficiency question. So beginning by determining what is the known and what is need to solve this problem. So this problem states that k is 2-digit number, and in order to data sufficient, the statement need to provide a way to solve the value for k. Consider the statement 1. For a number when remainder of 8 when divided by 9, that means that number has to be 1 less than multiple of 9. The number is 1 less than the multiple of 9. Okay, so therefore the possible values of k according to this statement are 17, 18 minus 1 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80, 89 and 98. Okay, so this is for statement 1, and statement 2 is the for a number to have a remainder of 7 when divided by 8, the number has to be 1 less than the multiple of 8. That means the corresponding value are 1 less than 8 means 8 into somewhat minus 1. So what are the number here? The number is 16 minus 1 15, 24 minus 1 23, and 31, 39, 47, 55, 63, 71, 79, 87, 95. After this the number will 3 digit, and after this the number also 3 digit. So this will be the limit, upper bound limit. So here please considering these two statement, here the common one number is 71 in both this case. Okay, so both the statement are required to answer this question. Okay, so what will be the correct answer here? Both statements are together sufficient, but neither statement alone is sufficient. Okay, so this is the correct option here. Okay, so that's all for today. To know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and your family, and stay tuned and connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe on our channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you in next session soon. Thank you.